Hello again, my students, and today we're going to tackle stars and polygons. Well, more specifically, those shapes I was about to mention on one of the previous sections, but for this section, I'm going to tackle more on the shapes. First, we're just going to select the polygon and star shapes here. As you can see on the upper portion here, the corners, the corners here, if you make the modifications on the corners, you can make as many corners as you like, or many pointed stuff on each side of the star. Or you can, the spoke ratio here, you can adjust the thickness of each part. It always looks like a polygon, but this is the normal shape of the star. And you can, as all objects, all of the objects, you can just rotate it here like that. It has many modification stuff that you can do. And you can also change its color, its shape. You can choose any kind of modification that you like. And you can double click in the lower left portion of the color section that you can make any adjustments as you please, as you see fit. You can change the color by into a fading effect. You can also just press this and click that particular color, and you'll be able to make a gradient out of the star here. And as you can see, you can also create gradients, gradual gradients here, as any of the shapes that I mentioned since the previous videos. Alright, now we can see there are some changes on the star now. It's looking a little bit better. Now I'm going to make some few adjustments more on the star, but okay, let's see. Now, once we made some adjustment to the star, we can talk about the polygon later on. Okay, now, let's see. Okay, as the star here, there are a lot of things that you can do about it. You can make designs such as star-spangled flags, such as heavy metal rock star, pentagrams, and stuff like that. Depending on your niche or the things that you want to make. But you can make all the kinds of modifications and adjustments to this kinds of shapes. Now we can even modify it into a star or a polygon once more, but we're just going to make it stick as a star for now. Now we're just going to make a new layer, a new kind of part here. As you can see, if I adjust the corners here, it changes the shape of the polygon. It could be an octagon, a hexagon, as a hexagon, or any kinds of shapes that you like in particular. It has the same manner of you can change gradients and stuff like that, and you can also add strokes. But you have to make it. But first, you have to go to the stroke paint portion so you can make the adjustments, and you have to go to the color section here so that you'll be able to make the colors. But since okay, we're just going to make the. Okay, since it just dismissed some of the colors here, we're just going to put it back. Now, okay, now let's see. And also you can do as well as change its opacity and also change its stroke corners. You can make it into smooth or make it something even round or pointed. And you can also do the same way as well as the polygon here. And as the same as the other shapes here, you can also rotate it, modify it as you like. But okay, let's see. And okay, you can also make different points on the star. You can make as many points as you can possibly make. Or you can just let your imagination fly, create different kinds of combinations here of different sorts, and you use a lot of reference about this. But since we have already made all the proper adjustments, I'll see you in the next lecture.